Click. Today on 4 on 4s, real quick video. We've been busting cojones on Project Ruckus here. So today I'm gonna show you really quick, short, quick video. People tend to span short on how we did that. Air tanks, wow, getting them mocked up, getting them ready. Today on 4 on 4s, stay tuned. Alright, today on 4 on 4s, you can see, we're going to start with some 2 scuba tanks right here. Alright, we took these 2 scuba tanks, and I'm going to show how to convert these things to like air tanks to make them look like Nas tanks. This is a quick video, just to show you. Got 2 average scuba tanks from the average scuba store or a friend on marketplace. Then, sanded them. I sanded them a little bit right here. So when I sanded them here, I went to see if I can get the aluminum polish, and I did a little spot and I said, yeah, I can get polished. So we got to get to work on them. As you can see, I got the yellow one done. The blue one was a pain to AZZ, but ended up getting that blue one done too. Shoot, a lot of sanding, a lot of work, like sanding them down, but it wasn't too hard. Don't use too great of a grit, but as the results, once you got them both sanded down, it probably took me about 2.5 hours of sanding, maybe 2.5 hours, 3 hours of sanding, and that's with polishing too, to get them to where you see it look like right there. Now these tanks are just regular nitrous tanks holders from Amazon. I will link the description. I will link the product from Amazon in the description. I also painted them red, so to contrast the truck. As you can see here, I didn't show the red painting, but I painted them red to contrast the truck. The knobs I haven't done yet. I think I might polish the knobs like the tanks to give it that contrast. But as you can see, they're painted red. Like I said, these are like about $50 online. Now, with the help of some, work with the, a printer, and we printed out and cut out the vinyl and made the nitrous oxide stickers, because they don't make them in red. All right, there we go. Ideas. All right, I figured out what I'm gonna do there. Figured out what I'm gonna do on both of these tubs in the walls. Got the pump placements, the tank placements. So now modify where I'm put the valve at real quick. Cut the pieces. I'll probably come back tomorrow and weld. Should look better. Pump placements are sturdy on there. Racks and brackets. Of course, got a whole lot of polishing and stuff to do. Finish bending this, putting this rack in, bending this metal thing, but I'm gonna get that in there first before I do that. And before these get all connected. Yeah. So it's a quick video, a reference of high level, referencing you up to the back. Yeah, pretty happy and satisfied with that. Gauge tanks, gauges on them. Oh boy, I got hoses running there. I got to go under there, do underneath work. Before I do that, I'm gonna set up all of the actual all of the actual holes that go in the bed floor. Yeah, that's set up. Take all these temporary air lines out, run those permanently. As soon as I get that valve set up, that's what I'm gonna do. Then I can just put power to it real quick and pump it up and down when I need to. So there we go. There we are, baby. One step closer. One step closer to Ruckus getting done. Well, I had a busy Saturday today, so that's it. He coming. He coming.